What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, Make Money with HRC. And please remember to like, subscribe, comment. Of course, always trying to figure out more ways to make money. So today I'm gonna just jump into a video with a new idea that I see, a lot of people making rolling trays and stuff like that to accommodate to people that smoke. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Today we are going to be making, molds, because I actually figured that I want to get into the realm of making rolling trays and all this other stuff, because yeah, there's a lot of people out here in the world that smoke. So let me go ahead and help you out, right? Now, go ahead and get that. There's like a crap ton of stuff that was purchased. For this, I'm actually going to show you guys everything that was bought. And I'm not going to lie, there was a couple of hiccups along the way because just a lot of things wasn't done right. But yeah. Oh, doggy harness. Gotta look out for the pups. Okay, let's put that there. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually gonna have a lot of fun with these. Like, legit. Shout out to Michaels. And every state is on there. So that's pretty badass. But got the big boy stuff and more big boy stuff. So let's see. All right, so gotta figure out what I'm actually gonna use these for. Once I figure that out, then that'd be great. So we have this Poxy and cornstarch. Mix and bowl. These are pretty much going to be used to make the the outer layer of the resin itself. I lied. This is actually going to be used to make the molding. So this is going to be one of the molding, and then this is going to be another. Pretty much. And nice little glue gun. Or not even a glue gun. What the hell do you use this? This is gonna be fun. I already see it. Am I supposed to pull back? Alrighty then. Nope. Am I supposed to pull up? Nope. Do we? Oh. Alright, so it's like a little trigger thing on the back. Good stuff. Alright. Okay. Good stuff to figure that out. And this is gonna be for the holding of I didn't get any sticker paper, so I'm actually gonna use regular paper to print out the picture. Once I figure out what the picture is gonna be, or if there'll even be a picture, then it's gonna go on this awesome tray. And that's the size of the tray. So yeah, come along for this journey. I think I should actually paint this first before anything else is actually done. Not sure what color I should put this just as yet. Is there black? Probably black. Black is probably gonna be the play, I think. I don't know. But all right, so I'll be back. Let me go ahead and paint this stuff, and yeah, I'll be back. All right, so definitely starting the painting process, as you can see. So this should be fun. Yeah, we don't have to improvise. in some of this because this is a lot of paint. All right, so halfway-ish, and nope, looks terrible. God. So apparently you're supposed to wet the brush before you start. You know who didn't actually wet the brush before they start, right? God damn it, I keep touching that part. Yeah, painting is not my forte, and I'm pretty sure my partner's probably gonna kill me because I literally am using like all her paint. So, yeah. I feel like I'm taking off the paint now with this. Oh my god. Alright, you know what? Let's just clean the brush. I think spray paint is gonna be what I do for the next tray. So this is gonna be my sample tray to see how everything actually works out, and yeah, we're gonna see. Oh snap, I'm messing up other things. Oh my god. I don't think this was a very smart idea. Look at that. I don't think so. Oh, she saw this shit probably kill me. I'm getting paint in my hair. Oh my god. Okay. I really don't know what I'm doing. So, we'll let this dry a little bit and then get into it. Alright, so that's gonna be the centerpiece for the tray. I'm gonna put the Harsh Reality logo. I don't know what happened to my little cutting tool, so I gotta improvise with the scissors. So this is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with the background because I forgot that my background is red. But I'm gonna figure it out. Semi cut out-ish. And it's time to put it on. Alright, so preview of what it's gonna look like. Alright y'all, so real quick. Got everything cut out. This is what it's gonna look like. And thinking if I should add a second color to this little thing, being that it's a test plate. Some of it is not really dry, but Harsh Reality inspired board so far. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like the fact also that the paint's kind of wet, so it's actually kind of sort of holding it in place. I was thinking about adding some more stuff to the board, but we're not gonna OD this one. But this is what it'll literally be like, and this will be our rolling board. I'm gonna go walk the pups before it gets too late, and then when I get back, yeah, we're just gonna get everything set up for the, what is this? The molding process. So this is gonna be an ashtray, this is gonna be an ashtray. Everywhere that sells mold, sure, I'll be there in a second. Everywhere that sells mold pretty much, or the silicone molding, we went to like 7 different stores, wasted my time and gas. Because everywhere had like cupcake molding. I was just like, I clearly said I need resin molding for ashtrays. But, you know, about to improvise, make our own trays, and we're gonna see how that turns out. So, be right back. And then we're about to get done with the get down, right? So I'll see y'all in a few. All right, y'all, so we back. We're about to go ahead and make our mold cutouts real quick. So we got the cornstarch and all-purpose silicone clear and our handy dandy bowl. So get everything set up and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so quick update. So the mold came out kind of sort of bad-ish, a lot bad-ish, but we'll see what happens once it actually dries. Yeah, tragic, a waste, but I'll see once it dries because I tried it the first way that I saw and this is what it came out with. So That was literally a waste of silicone. As you can see, it's hard as hell and absolutely nothing. And then this thing is all the way finished. So yeah, that's that. But I did go ahead and try a second way that I found, which was dishwashing liquid and water. Mix the dishwashing liquid in the water, then put the silicone in the water, and I guess you're supposed to make it sit. I don't know, but everybody else's came out actually looking kind of like a white Play-Doh substance. Mine came out looking like this. So as long as it dries, I know for a fact we're onto something. See, like, still kind of hard, so I don't know, but let's see. You know, the lady said 15 minutes hers was dry. This is, has it been 15 minutes? Probably going on 15 minutes, and I'm still waiting. It's still kind of mushy, so I don't think it's dry. So I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit, but complete caca, as you can see. Hard as hell, like hard as hell with all the silicone. And that was the cornstarch with the silicone mixed. I don't know, I'll probably try it again at a later time, but if this actually gives me a pretty decent result, then I'm definitely going to get some more so I could actually make a decent looking ashtray holder thing, right? So I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. With that being said, we're gonna move on to getting the actual tray completed, and being that all the stores are closed, we're probably gonna be able to pick up the actual mold makings tomorrow. So for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the resin on the tray. So I'll see y'all in a few once I get set up for that.